Welcome back. Now for this project, we are going to choose our professionally cloned voice. So we're going to go to this area. We're then going to click on the choice that we have for our professionally cloned voice. What you will notice is that the model changes as well as the controls that we have. It's a good idea to make sure that you have the recommended model. We're going to click on this area and we're using the recommended model. So what we will now do is we will now generate speech. In the realm of consulting, frameworks serve as the backbone of analysis and strategy development. They offer a structured way to dissect complex business problems, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize areas for improvement. This methodical approach is crucial in navigating the multifaceted nature of organizational challenges, where issues can span from operational inefficiencies to strategic misalignments. Strategic application of frameworks. One key advantage of using frameworks in consulting is their ability to bring clarity to the strategic planning process. By applying a specific framework, consultants can guide companies to articulate their vision, mission, and strategic objectives in a coherent manner. This clarity is the first step towards achieving meaningful change. Diagnostic capability frameworks also excel as diagnostic tools. They enable consultants to conduct comprehensive assessments of a business's health, examining everything from financial performance and market positioning to internal processes and culture. This thorough analysis helps to uncover the root causes of issues rather than just addressing their symptoms. Case study: turning around a failing business. Consider the case of a retail company struggling with declining sales and high employee turnover. A consultant might employ the SWOT strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats framework to identify internal and external factors impacting the business. This analysis could reveal that the company's main weakness is an outdated inventory system, while an emerging online market presents a significant opportunity. Armed with this insight, the consultant can then develop a targeted strategy to modernize the inventory system and expand into online sales, thereby addressing the core issues. Now, there are two issues with this voiceover. You'll notice the degrading of the audio over time. You will also notice that the AI didn't quite read our script in the way that we would want it to be read. So it's a good idea to use a voice that will be consistent throughout your audio narration. And we will undertake correcting this in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.